Jellyfish have drifted along on ocean currents for millions of years, even before dinosaurs lived on the Earth. The jelly-like creatures pulse along on ocean currents and are abundant in cold and warm ocean water, and along coastlines. But despite their name, jellyfish aren't actually fish, they're invertebrates, or animals with no backbones. Jellyfish have tiny stinging cells in their tentacles to stun or paralyze their prey before they eat them. Inside their bell-shaped body is an opening that is its mouth. They eat and discard waste from this opening. As jellyfish squirt water from their mouths, they are propelled forward. Tentacles hang down from the smooth bag-like body and sting their prey. Jellyfish stings can be painful to humans and sometimes very dangerous. But jellyfish don't purposely attack humans. Most stings occur when people accidentally touch a jellyfish, but if the sting is from a dangerous species, it can be deadly. Jellyfish digest their food very quickly. They wouldn't be able to float if they had to carry a large, undigested meal around. They dine on fish, shrimp, crabs and tiny plants. Sea turtles relish the taste of jellyfish. Some jellyfish are clear, but others are in vibrant colors such as pink, yellow, blue, and purple, and often are luminescent. The Chinese have fished jellyfish for 1,700 years. They are considered a delicacy and are used in Chinese medicine. Though brainless, jellies have simple tools that allow them to sense the world around them. Jellies detect light, gravity, and hormones using rhopalia, small sensory structures, located on the edge of their bells. There are some fish that spend time swimming amid the tentacles of a jelly. This strange choice of hangout may help them avoid being eaten by bigger fish. They also get the chance to pick at scraps the jelly has caught, or nibble parasites off the jelly. Jellies are not the strongest animals in the ocean, but if you've ever been mesmerized by a group of them pulsing to their own rhythms, you've seen them flex their muscles. The transparent muscle fibers are arranged in rays that stretch from the center of the bell to the margin. With a synchronized squeeze of these muscles, coordinated by the 8 rhopalia along the edge of the bell, the jelly throws its body into a wave that moves smoothly outward from the bell, pushing it forward. The motion also stirs up the water and pushes it past the jelly's tentacles. Jellies can reproduce both sexually and asexually. During the adult, and most recognizable, Medusa phase of their life cycle, jellies reproduce by broadcasting egg and sperm that develop into free-swimming planula larvae. These larvae float around until conditions are just right and then attach themselves to a substrate. Once attached, they develop into polyps and start to grow and feed. When the time and water conditions are just right, some of these polyps will metamorphose and release ephyrae, infant jellies. These baby jellies grow into the mature Medusa phase. Jellies' nematocysts only sting when triggered by touching an object. The activator of the nematocyst can detect different cell types, triggering only on certain prey and by physical disturbance, such as a human hand. Most jellies have mild toxins that don't affect humans, although some can hurt as much as a sting from a bee. However, the stings of species like the sea wasp, box and irukandji jellies can be extremely dangerous to humans. Jellies play a vital role in ocean ecosystems. Not only do they eat plankton, but some are food for large animals like sea turtles. A recent study led by the Monterey Bay Aquarium showed that jellies are also threatened by microplastics, and that they serve as an entry point for microplastics in the open ocean food chain. Jellies are older than the dinosaurs. Scientists have fossilized evidence that suggests jellies have been around for 600 million years or more, making them one of the oldest multicellular life forms on our planet. Groups of jellies are known as blooms. Some view the jelly as a problematic animal, or worse, an underwater pest, due to large jelly blooms. These attitudes have led to the intentional destruction or removal of jelly populations. It is important to keep in mind that jellies have been blooming on this planet for over 600 million years and that jelly blooms are not new phenomena. Recent jelly blooms are also being studied for their potential as sentinels of ocean change. Most jelly populations are seasonal, but recently some jellies have appeared in areas they've never been seen before. For example, massive blooms of Mediterranean jellies appeared in the Mar Menor coastal lagoon after a regional agricultural boom. The agricultural development caused excessive nutrients to seep into the ground and eventually run into the lagoon through coastal runoff. Scientists are investigating causes for jellyfish blooms like these by studying their life cycles.